Hello YouTube, this is another video for my Action Hobbies channel, and this time broadcasting right from the great city of New York. Yes, I have come almost half of the world to visit the great city of New York, and like on my previous trip, I was looking for something to bring home as a souvenir, and this time it happens to be Leatherman Juice and XE6. I've been kind of wanting this this multi-tool for some time, and I'm really happy that I was able to find it here. I bought it, I think it was on the 8th Avenue, some kind of shop that has everything, starting from cameras and all sorts of gadgets, and they happen to have some Leathermans, and here's the one I bought. Yeah, it was a little bit pricey, but kind of well, yeah, I could buy it cheaper on eBay or some other site, but still it's like a souvenir. I paid $90 for this. And it was with a generous discount from the guy who sold it to me. Well, yeah, it was a little bit costly, but nevertheless, I'm pretty happy with this. And yeah, as I mentioned, it is something that I've been yeah, kind of excited for a while to get, and now I got one. So there are not too many videos featuring XE6 on the YouTube, so I will try to go quickly through the through the implements it has. Actually, it is yeah, like all Leathermans, it's high quality, very well made, and like it says on the Leatherman's webpage, it's a tool, it's a multi-tool that has it all, and yes, exactly, it does have it all. Of course, first of all, it's the needle nose pliers, like all other juices. On the inside, then on one side here we have 3 different flat screwdrivers. Oh, see, well, the big one, the small one, and the medium one. On the other side it has Phillips screwdriver, and that's basically it. What's inside of it. On the outside, well, where do we start? Okay, yeah, here's the main blade, the straight blade. Yeah, the same as on other juice models. On the same side we have scissors, I love that this kind of medium size multi-tool has scissors of this size. They seems that they are pretty capable. Yes, I haven't tried that this multi-tool out yet, so just kind of featuring the implements it has. The next thing which I really dig about this is that it has an all my wave and charge. It doesn't have it, so I'm really glad that finally I've got a multi-tool that has an all. That's really great. And next to the all is the famous Leatherman saw. Well, it's a little bit smaller than the one on the wave, but still, the teeth on the saw are pretty sharp, and I'm quite sure it's as capable as the saw on the wave. So no problem with that. Further on, yeah, that's about it. What we've got on this side. On the other side, we have serrated blade with serrations for cutting rope, cutting any fabric, probably flesh. Great. It really does have it all. Next to it is the great Leatherman's file with quartz on one side and diamond coating on the other side. And then what I guess no other Leathermans have is, I could be wrong, but kind of this is the first Leatherman that I have with a corkscrew. Oh, sorry. And which goes together with this kind of can opener, which also can be used to help with opening bottles. You know, you put this on the edge of the bottle and then like open it up. You know it all. Yeah, I'm sure. So that's basically the tool itself. Well, just on a side note, yeah, I'm kind of getting into multi-tools recently, and why is that? Is because I still haven't decided if I kind of the magic question. I haven't decided about the answer to the magic question, which is if I had only one tool to take with me, let's say to the woods, which one would that be? Would that be a multi-tool like this one, or a fixed blade? I know that kind of the paradigm goes that yeah, you should go with a fixed blade. No doubt. I kind of still hesitating on that. So if you because multi-tools, they are kind of, yeah, like this one. It has it all. I mean, you can well, there are much more uses of it than just a fixed blade. I'm not saying that the fixed blade is kind of something that well, won't work. It would, and it should, but kind of its capabilities are a bit limited. They are other than multi-tools, but still, this tool has so many capabilities. So, if you have any kind of comments regarding pros and cons towards multi-tools or fixed blades, so let me know. Okay, that's about it. So yeah, help me decide. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. Cheers.